One question that many students ask me is what I think about mistakes. Personally, I think mistakes are great. If you're making mistakes, that means you're trying something new. You're trying something that's difficult. You're challenging yourself and you're pushing yourself. If you never make mistakes, that means you're doing something that you already know how to do. And that's not what we want to do here. So if you make mistakes, that's fine. The person you're talking to will either tell you that you made a mistake or they won't understand you. Either way, that's a signal for you to think about what you've said and maybe try and say it more clearly or slower or in a different way using different vocabulary. Mistakes are great when we're practicing. Now, if you're in a job interview, you don't want to make mistakes then. But in our class, in this course, talking with your friends, it's totally fine to make mistakes because that's how we find out what we know and what we don't know so we can get better. So I don't want you to worry about making mistakes. All right? I need you to try as hard as you can and make as many mistakes as you want to make. Because the more mistakes you make, the more chances you get of improving and correcting those mistakes.